enkqonkqos nangumntu esiza nangumntu enkqonkqos nangumntu esiza nilele. It is that time, but I say it is that time. Hope you guys are good. If you come across this channel for the first time, my name is Yoba. My surname is Chaza. I hope you decide to stay by subscribing and join the rest of our family. And if you are a returning subscriber, oh, I love you so much. I appreciate you so much. Uyayazi. This channel is nothing without you, Kesana. Hi guys, hey Yoba Nation. Guys, today is a Saturday and we are attending umbhinqiso wezibazana. What is umbhinqiso wezibazana? I want to believe it is some kind of a shower where we come and shower the mother of the child that is going to be going to the initiation school. My Xhosa people, please correct me there by the comment section if I am not interpreting it correctly. I don't know also. It's also my first time attending it, but I want to believe it's something like that where we come shower with gifts, with prayers, some kind of support, you know. And also I saw someone saying it's even being done for those that might not even be there to go and attend the actual mugidi. You see, so we are attending umbhinqiso wezibazana. We are attending it together, guys. I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog because it must just take us to Eastern Cape. Remember, it's Pretoria and the event is in Centurion. So we're bringing Eastern Cape to Pretoria. We're bringing Eastern Cape to Centurion. So hopefully we're gonna enjoy, guys. So now I am. What time is it? I'm gonna work, guys, and I'm not excited. This is the time. 36 minutes past 10. I'm not excited because I'm repeating an outfit. But guys, I must now look at the bigger picture. There are things that I still want to do. Like there are things that I still want to do even in this house. Even though tungisa, guys, let's be honest, ukutungisa is costly. It's very, very costly. So I'm like, you know what? Let me be really beautiful, because I heard somewhere, but if you're repeating an outfit, we're gonna be saying really beautiful because we already said beautiful before. So yeah, we're just gonna get dressed, guys. You're gonna get dressed with me to attend umbhinqiso wezibazana. I'm wearing my bottle green and cream white mbhaco. And then yeah, we go to Centurion. Hopefully you will enjoy this vlog, guys. Please motivate me by watching my ads. Ndiyanicela, guys, ndiyanicela. This is a plea from the bottom of my heart. And then yeah, let's do that and then we go. So guys, before I change, I'm thinking let's go ndinibonise bendipheke ujeqe. So I want to pull so that when I'm done wearing, so I'll be able to cut it. And then here we go. Nilelena nangumntu enkqonkqos nangumntu esiza mandilophule ngoku le right. Nilelena nilelena yebo nilelena ngumntu enkqonkqos nangumntu esiza nangumntu enkqonkqos nangumntu esiza nilelena she's like anything. Homemade dombolo. I used my coffee mugs. Let's see. This plastic, I was trying it because I don't want the steam to wet my, you know. Okay, let me use this one. la la la. Ntombazana, are you ready for imigidi kaDecember, guys? I am so ready. I am so ready. I am proud. I am proud. I am proud. I am proud. These plastics zingisizile shem. Wow, I'm so proud, guys. Siphume kahle isonka. Yeah. Asigqoke into ngokule. Okay. So I'm gonna brush my hair. Let me quickly wear, guys. Hey, it was I'm home alone. Daddy went to work. Sobo went to Magazi. I wonder, this is one ngubani. Yo, akunzima ukuba wedwa Nkosi. Yenina? There we go, and then it's a skirt and a top, ne guys. Then let's put on my beta. And here I don't like ukuyibopha like here, like this. Or ndikhe ndinxibe kanje mani, ndihambe ndinxibe kanje. What do you think? Ndingakhe ndiyifake iphelele. This is also nice. If you haven't ordered from Noxzola, what are you waiting for? Really, what are you waiting for? And then because I like to put this, I feel like it completes this outfit if I put this. I'm going so like, there is something short. Ingaveli ke lento or izokusokolisa. Who's calling? What that?
Yes, sir.
Can
we go to Papa and do la?
Khange ndiyibone yazi. Full OOTD, guys, before I leave the house. Nobody ndidlala ngani because you guys know this outfit already. You've seen me wear this outfit several times. So guys, before we leave the house, you know what, we've got another partnership. I'm so happy for us as the Yoba Nation for this. So we've got another partnership. Let me see. Okay. Yes, this one, guys, is from is from is from this one is from LearnSmart, guys. I am so happy they sent us these prescription glasses. I'm used to their, is it green? I was surprised when I saw orange. I was like, you know what? As long as the glasses are still the same, the packaging doesn't matter. So these are the prescription glasses, guys. But if you do not have an eye problem, these are ready to wear glasses. But if you've got a medical problem, then you go to your doctor, they do a prescription for you, and then you put that on the prescription when you order the glasses. Then they will add the medication onto the glasses. For us who do not have eye problem, these are ready to go glasses. I'm loving this. As you say cute, as you say nice. What is the name of this? Because they are named. Okay, I'll write on just somewhere what these ones are called. And if you are interested, you can use my discount code. I will write it on the description box, and then you can order yourself. This is number 1. Let's go to number 2. Okay, I always thought LearnSmart only sells clear glasses. I didn't know they also do sunglasses like these ones. I was like, please, can I please have a pair? And look at these. Wow, these ones, I am so in love. I think I am gonna be wearing these ones today. I think I'm taking these ones along to Mbinisweni. I'm loving these, guys. I'll also write the name for this one if you are interested. Let's go to the last one. The last one. I love this detailing here. It's so nice. They are just clear glasses. I think I just need to wipe them. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, girl. Wow, I also love these. Now I'm conflicted because this weather, it's not, I don't know what's happening. It looks like it can rain any minute from now. So I can also take these along. I'll switch in between the two. Which one I am gonna be wearing today. Which one is your favorite? Number 1 or number 2 or number 3? Tell me on the comment section, guys. I'm also supposed to make a TikTok video as well as Instagram video with these glasses. Please, when you see this from your girl, make sure you interact. Let's go, guys, before we get late. Ariyeng sayoti nangumntu enqonqoza nangumntu esiza andiloyilo ke nilelena. I'm loving these ones more ke ngoku. Nilelena. Guys, masiyambini. What time is it? I had said if I can leave the house. I'm so late, guys. Let's go.
Zanzi Piko, Kali Piko, Kala Nikale Zanzi Piko, Kala Piko, Kala Piko, Kala Piko, Kala Piko, Kali Piko, Ichona Nikale Zanzi Piko, Kali Piko, Ichona Nikale Zanzi Piko, Kala Piko, Kala Piko, Kala Piko.
So ithini nabethunana i-baby shower asasingayazi kodwa omama babona ukubana lento iyaxhasa komama iyancedisana nomama so umbhinqiso lo esikuwo namhlanje for uMamCirha ukubhinqisa lo mfazi kwenze bazathi xa iqala lo mcimbi umkhulu kangaka umkhulu lo mcimbi khulu lo mcimbi pha kwecala lethu so silapha sikwenzela uba simxhase xa elisibazana lo mfazi okwesibini mabongo zingangalala mabongo zingangalala mabongo zingangalala 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 mabongo zingangalala
Ithi into ukuze siphethe sinophathwa nophathu by the way. Okay. Yandiva? Hayibo. Uyamandisa. Hey, anazinto. Ithi into ukuze bathi ngiququmbele.
Yes.
Upart 1. Kukhona lawa mazwi ufuneka bawafumane uNontombi. Akhathalela noba awulukise okokuqala. Nophinde wafumane walibala. Yes. This is amigo. Aze akazomthi vandla ukuthi Ntombi nanga amazwe ukuphathisa wona ubheka kula 16 yaqonda itsho into words of wisdom
bekani uJesu ngumholi uJesu nathi kakhulu into kokubana uThixo engumncedi. Ndisatsho apha kumama uNgcobo ndihlala becinga ukuthi hey mama uNgcobo ndanceda ndolusa ngo-2013. Ndanceda ndoluse ngela xesha elixesha ndandingasulenza ixesha. Ndandizawuphelela endleleni mntasekhaya ngendlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo. But nomntana into ethi hey uThixo nyhani xa esenza into kunyaniswa uba kuthiwa God sees and he knows our future. Uyabona? Kwatyhileka enye into eyatyhileka kum into okokubana you know recently I think it was Thursday or Friday ndimamela umhlobo wenene ngaba kugugana sendile age emamela iredio xhosa umhlobo wenene ngokwekuseni yabona uba iintsuku zimkile uthethwa nabantu abase abantwana entabeni babuya abantwana batshintsha. What a coincidence. That was the day before umhlobo. Sine problem yabantwana bethu ke abayentabeni babuye and become our husbands more than abantwana bethu. Bathatha ubudoda babutshintshe babenze uba babe ngabayeni kuthi in a way that we serve them. Endaweni obana umntana beyindoda in terms of assisting you physically, emotionally, financially okanye ndithi holistically.
Yes, noba kwenziwa
Uye sebedlula ngendlela. 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 Uye
ulosibini abekho ubhinqo athi yakhe macace asawudidiyela isikhafu nasi
Kwase yawa leqhinga sibakhulu yahlupha.
didiyela ngolosibini
Chomi yakho. Chomi yam lena. Ububaba. Chomi yam. Chomi yakho.
hayi guys nam ndizene yam itshomi nami niziitshomi zam neva
Andla walinga. Utheni uJongitosa. Amandla walinga. Utheni uJongitosa. Amandla walinga. Utheni uJongitosa. Hayibo. Amandla walinga. Utheni uJongitosa.
Zia
Calvary. But can get Peter between and the West after this. That's why it's after today. My life will never be the same again. Thank you so much, guys.
Guys, good morning. Welcome to Sunday. Today is Sunday, guys. On my way to church. Guys, guys, yesterday we came back from kwizibazana lethu. Xa ndifika utata walapha was like he's going to watch rugby, and we went out and it was playing ngo-10. Siyafika pexi. But I want to go to church. I haven't been going to church. So yesterday I left my car at Vonderbom Junction under parking, and xa sibuya bese kuvaliwe. So now ndizayishiya kulo tata, uzabona ukuyikhupha njani. I'm sure ibill yakhona, parking ticket yakhona is way expensive, so he's gonna sort himself out. Now I am going to church, and guys, okay, we'll talk after church. Yeba Nation, Molweni guys, good morning. It is a Monday morning. I'm still on my way to work, but I'm like, you know what, let me come and thank you guys for watching my vlog. You know what, I so much appreciate. Yesterday, I'm sorry I said we were gonna talk after church. You know what I wanted to do after church yesterday was to sleep. Like, I slept the entire day. I woke up late and started editing our vlog. So I wanted to say thank you guys for watching my vlog. I am so much appreciative of your love, of your support. I'm on my way to work, Gesana. Let me show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this maroon dress from Pick n Pay Clothing, as well as my maroon shoes from Zara. Let me show you, and then we close the vlog. I must look for something to put on top because this weather. Guys, when Pretoria, it's raining cats and dogs each and every day. So yeah, this is me. These shoes. Hope you guys will have a blessed week. I will definitely see you on the next one. Bye. Word of the day. Word of the day.
I love you. It's another Monday morning. Sizolingisa imbabala.